So currently, I'm now trying to put together this gaming chair here at whatever cost. There's no knife, so we try to stab the box. Oh, that actually kind of worked. One-handed. Oh, when in doubt, don't ruin the box in case you have to send it back. But I'm doing it one-handed and trying to record this for everybody. So let's see if this works without spilling the beer. Ha-ha! Success! Alright. Oh, jeez. Got the little flap doohickey thingies. Yep. Up and down and whatever else this chair does. That's what that does. That description was golden, by the way. Wheels. Check. Alright.